Hello to my viewers, hello everyone. In this video, I will show you the different types of power supply of CCTV that we are using. So particularly, I will talk about the centralized power supply. This power supply is intended for our CCTV camera. So like for instance, this full color camera, I have a very big camera here. This one is a brand new 5 MP camera, colored. And then I have also this one IR bullet camera. So let's check. So smaller one, but still 5 MP. Now, we have three types of power supply of CCTV camera. We have the centralized power supply. This one is for cameras power supply. And I have here also for heavy for 18 cameras. So I would recommend to use the centralized power supply for some reasons. So this is the centralized power supply. Okay, I will open it. So as you can see, we have 18 supplies, 18 section for each of the camera to supply the voltage needed. So that means we can supply 18 cameras using the centralized power supply, and this is 30 amperes. So again, why centralized power supply? Now we have also the adapter, the DC power supply, but I would recommend centralized power supply. Why? Because if there's something will happen to our camera, let's say for example the wire have been shorted, so as you can see, each of the channel, it has its fuse. Say for example the first camera that this centralized power supply supplying, so if that device will be shorted, the fuse will damage first, so it will not affect the other camera as well as the entire centralized power supply. So that is number one reason. The second reason is if ever there is something will happen to the for example burning of component, so it will not go outside, so it will burn inside as it is covered with metal case, no? That is why it recommend for you to use the centralized power supply. So okay, now we can use also the DC power supply, but the problem is if one of the camera will be shorted or got shorted, all of the cameras will be affected. Likewise with the adapter. Now, I discourage you to use the adapter for one reason. This is very prone to fire. Now, what I'm trying to say is, when this one will be overheat or electronic parts inside of this adapter, it will if it will really if it will get damaged, so it might burn the adapter and it might cause fire. Now, this adapter also, um, actually, it very prone to overheat. Unlike this centralized source, of the sun will have the uh, electronic parts. Electronic parts. So it will only happen inside. So that's all. I hope you like this video. You follow, like, and share. Thank you.